The ETCZOYE Convertible Sleeper Sofa Bed uses a clever folding base and movable back cushions, so you can switch between a compact floor sofa, a lounger, or a full sleeping surface depending on your room layout. Its chenille upholstery feels soft and breathable against the skin while also resisting pilling, which helps the sofa keep a tidy, fresh look with regular use. Thick, high-density foam runs through both the seat and back sections, giving the sofa a pleasantly cushioned feel that still supports your body well whether you are sitting upright or lying flat. The generous width allows one person to stretch out comfortably or two people to share it as a low-profile guest bed, making it a practical choice for studio apartments and multi-purpose rooms. Because it arrives already structured and simply compressed for shipping, you can unpack it and let it expand without dealing with tools, hardware, or complicated assembly steps. The adjustable back piece can double as a side bolster or extra pillow, and the brand backs the design with responsive support if any issues come up after delivery.